A farmer watches Korean rain. His cabbages feed millions. 70 million Koreans. 70,000 farmers. One sea binds them. Meishan, Sichuan. Old mother water meets the strain bank. Tradition learns new math. 22.4 degrees. 2.1% salt. The pinch became decimal. 7,000 years. Nila Tosena. Fermentation became fashion. They found bubbling wine. The first biotechnology was an accident. Divinity wore yeast. Flood drowned the wheat. The warehouse did not rot. It breathed 3,000 years. Salt crystals still visible. Salt does not decay. These crystals are signatures. 6th century. Jasixi wrote it down. Pickling became teachable. Every civilization made the pact. Salt. Water. Time. No salt? Use acid. Ceviche is pickling without the mine. Chemistry bends. Summer's plenty, winter's want. Fermentation arbitrage the seasons? A bride without a crock could not hold her head high. She carried winter in her dowry. Not gold. Cabbage, salt, water. Wealth. Nomads carried nothing. Sedentary societies preserved. One person, one jar. The product could not leave the province. The highway was a graveyard. Every broken crock a lost season. Tradition shattered. Japan had the machine. They would not sell. The gate stayed closed. What Japan denied, Korea sold. The detour ran through Seoul. The gate cracked. 1985. The first factory. The jar became a production line. 100 million to 22 billion. 24 years. Productivity, not luck. Old mother water. 20 years in a crock. Every grandmother guarded her constellation. 11,000 strains cataloged. The grandmother's secret became searchable data. Need crunch? Need tongue? Ask the database. Appropriate amount. Suitable duration. Tacit knowledge. Carried in hands. Now explicit. Teachable. 1,500 genomes sequenced. Fuyu 928, 45 enterprises. Shared logistics. Shared prosperity. Scale is unfair. 40% cheaper. 99%. Not margin. Not supplement. 1,701. 3,601. 75% employ 4 or fewer. The upgrade never came. Markets harbor no sentimentality. They buy the cheaper cabbage. 85 yen for a cabbage. 3 times the price. Winter kimchi hanging by thread. The river was restored. The farms were condemned. Substitute cabbage for Napa cabbage. Both were 58 yuan. The tariff fell. The trucks arrived. 160 tons. The year the supply chain flipped. Supplementary became irreplaceable. History does not repeat. But it rhymes. 50 days of rain. Kimjang inscribed. Intangible heritage. The government preserved the ritual. A new name for an old neighbor. Kimchi. But the palate is not fooled. This soil, this body, one and same. But 36% live alone. Prestige has a price. And a limit. 36% live alone. Who still makes kimchi? First time. Imports exceeded exports. Heritage could not offset the cost gap. The palate knows no passport. The cabbage does not carry a flag. Manual salting automated. No hands. No fatigue. No variation. Regional taste profiles exported. Renzhou knows Korean palates better than Seoul. ISO 24220. The language of global trade. Paocai officially recognized. From rule taker to rule maker. The power of definition finally local. The standard barrier breached. Not compliant? Now we write the standards. The crossroads of the world. A Sichuan pickle glowing over Manhattan. Rejected at the gate. The packaging was not worthy. 1980 to 2018. The same pickle. A different world. 11,000 strains. Immortal in data. Grandmothers would be amazed. From condiment to destination. Tourists photograph pickles. Industry becomes theater. A foray scenic area. For pickles. The jar became a monument. 1.6 billion yuan. From a jar. Culture pays dividends. 11 billion yuan. The value of a name. Credibility capitalized. A brand is trust securitized. You cannot taste the factory. 3 levels of war: cost, quality, culture, the 3 times moat. Tariffs cannot bridge the cost gap. Physics wins, cleaner than powdered milk. 2 parts per million foreign matter. Precision, the salinity problem solved. Millions invested. The effluent runs clear. Who defines the cabbage? Kimchi or paocai, the frenzy of planting. Everyone wants export dollars. The silence of the unharvested. Demand vanished. The cabbages rot where they grew, from export boom to field rot. The farmer bears the whiplash, the cost hidden in the water. Salt does not disappear. It accumulates, the price of compliance. Millions for clean water. Small factories drown in debt. Who will salt the cabbages tomorrow? The young do not inherit the crock. The serpent domesticated by sake. Microbes tamed the monster. The microbe that tamed the monster. Humanity's oldest partner. Still working. 10,000 years of symbiosis. We feed them. They feed us, not conquest. Supplement. China produces. Korea curates, irreplaceable positions. Each nation holds its own corner of the jar, from subsistence to global village. The jar never left our side. Yellowed pages to decimal points. The same wisdom, new vocabulary, 1 jar. 22 billion industry. Mathematics of scale. Salt. Water. Vegetables. Time. You are not just buying pickles. You are reaching across 10,000 years. 10,000 years of wisdom. Reaching, preserving, eating. The gesture never changed. We learn to plant. We learn to harvest. We learn to preserve. We learn to trade. We learn to connect. The economic history of kimchi. From dowry to containership, the story pauses. The fermentation continues. The jar waits for tomorrow's cabbage. Tomorrow, another cabbage will be salted. The jar is never empty.